Question number 29. How many four-letter words can be formed from the letters of the word combination? Combination. You have to form four-letter word. From this word combination, you have to take all these letters and you have to make four letters word. So, how many four-letter words you can form? So, first I'll write C. Only one time. So, C. O. Two times. O. Two times. M. One time. B. One time. I. Two times. N. Two times. A. P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total how many letters are there? 11 letters are there. You have to make 4-letter word. So how will you make? You see here. First case. How can you make? When all letters are different. When all letters are different. When all letters are different. How many different letters are there? 2 times O. So I can take only one time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many ways you can take? 8C4. 8C4. From these 8 you can take any 4 letters. Any 4 letters you can take. All letters are different. You can't repeat the letters. All letters are different. So 8C4. And these 4 letters, whatever you take here, you can arrange themselves in factorial 4 ways. So 8C4 into factorial 4. 8C4 so factorial of 8 upon factorial of 4 into factorial of 8 minus 4, that is also factorial of 4. And here it is factorial 4. Factorial 4 cancel. This factorial 8 I am writing 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into factorial of 4 upon factorial 4. 4 factorial cancel. 8 7s are 56 into 30. 1680. 1680. So when all letters are different, how many words you can form? 1684 letters word you can form. So case 1 is over. Now case 2 you can see. Case 2, when two alike and two alike. When two alike and two alike means from these 3 I have to take any 2 pairs, and 2 alike and 2 alike. So how will you write? 1, 2, 3, 4. I will write 2 alike and 2 alike. This is 1. This I will consider 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But I have to take 2 alike and 2 alike. So I can't take from this. Only I can take from this and this. 1, 2, 3 pairs are there. So 3, C. How many pairs I have to take? 2 alike, 1 pair. And another pair. 2 pairs I have to take. So from 1, 2, 3 I have to take 2 pairs, 3C, 2. Now into. How many words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So permutation of 4 different objects. 2 alike and 2 alike. Any 2. I have to take from any 2. If I am taking these 2. Then also it's repeating 2 times. So factorial 2 into factorial 2. If I take this 2, then also factorial 2 into factorial 2. If I take this and this, then also factorial 2 into factorial 2. Permutation of 4 different objects taken 2 at a time. So these 2 pairs I am taking OO or II, or OO or NN, or II or NN. So 3C2 into factorial of 4 upon factorial 2 into factorial 2. So how will I write? 3C. So factorial of 3 upon factorial of 2 into factorial of 3 minus 2, that is factorial of 1. Into factorial of 4 upon factorial of 2 into factorial of 2. So 2 into 2 into 1 into 1, that is 1 only. So how will you solve? 3 into factorial of 2 into factorial 4, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 upon 2 factorial, that is factorial 2 into 1 into 4. Factorial 2 cancel, 4 cancel. How many letter words you can form? 18 ways. How many ways? How many 4 letter words you can form? 18 4 letter words you can form when one pair and one pair. Two different pairs you are taking. Two alike and two alike. One pair, two pairs you are taking. So 18 4 letter words you can form. So when two alike and two alike, so how many you can form? 18. Now third one. One condition when all letters are different. One when you are taking two pairs. Two alike and two alike. Total 4. And when all letters are different, that time it is 1680. When two alike and two alike, then it's 18 4 letter words. Now, case number third, that is the last case. When you can take one pair, means two alike. One pair means two alike, means 1, 2, 3. Out of these 3 pairs, I have to take one pair. In one pair, how many are there? 2. So now only remaining 2 I have to solve. So one pair, 2 alike and 2 different. Is it okay? One pair, that is 2 alike. From these 3 I have to take one, and 2 will be from this only, because any one if I take from these 3. So 2 letters are already filled, so now remaining 2 I have to take. So one pair. So out of 1, 2, 3 pair, how many I have to take? 3 see 1 into 2 different. It should not match with this. If let I am taking this O, so this is cancelled. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 only are left. Is it okay? Why I am not taking 9? Getting my point? Why I am not taking 9? Because I should not include this one. C, M, B, I, N, N, A and T. 1, this pair. If I have used here 2 alike. If I am using this here, I can't take again this one because 2 are different. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are there? 7. So remaining 2 I have to choose from 7 letters. Is it fine? 3C1 into 7C2 into. Same here also 4 places are there. You have to make 4 letter word. So permutation of 4 letters. And you know here 2 alike. Only 2 alike. So only once. Like if I am taking O, so factorial 2. If I am taking I, then also factorial 2. If I am taking N, then also factorial 2. So 3C1 into 7C2 into factorial 4 upon factorial. Why I am taking here 7C2? Is it clear? Because 2 letters you have to take different. So you can't include this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I can't take like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can't take 9C2. Because if I take 9C2 means what? 2 things. It will be same. But I don't want same. I want 2 different. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When I will solve, I will get 3 factorial 3 upon factorial of 1 into factorial of 3 minus 1, that is 2, into factorial of 7 upon factorial of 2 into factorial of 7 minus 2, that is factorial 5 into factorial of 4 upon factorial of 2. So when you will solve this, you will get, already I have solved, 1 minute. Already I have solved. So answer will, okay, I will solve here. I will solve this. Factorial 3. 680, 1680, 18, and when you will solve this part, 3C1 into 7C2 into factorial 4 upon factorial 2, you will get 136. 756. You will get what? 756. 2 alike and 2 different. Okay. You will get 756. So you have to add all 1680, 18 and 756. That many 4 letter words you can form with the word combination. 1680 plus 18 plus 756. 8 plus 6 14. 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10 plus 1 15. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 7 14. 2400 54 four-letter words you can form from the word combination. Thank you.